Good morning, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day vlog. We're just getting straight into the intro, 5:30 a.m. It's Saturday. Dave and I are going to take Chilli for a walk and then he's going to run and I'm going to ride my bike next to him because he's going to run for an hour. And let's be real, I can't keep up with him. So we've kind of been doing that a few Saturdays, like I'll ride my bike and he'll run and it's been really nice. So we're going to do that, but before I get into my day, this is what I have just started doing. So I've got this like dermatitis on my chin and like just around my nose, and my facial girly, Talisha, from the facial bar at GC, her mum is a naturopath, and she was saying that she messaged her mum when she was at my appointment, bless her, and she was asking her like what could possibly help with this dermatitis, because you want to get rid of the dermatitis so that they can go in with some like peels and stuff to get rid of like the scarring from previous acne. So she was saying to do oil pulling and to put tea tree on it, but you've got to like dilute the tea tree. So she said put it in distilled water, but I've just been putting it in like a moisturizer or my hyaluronic acid and then just putting it on my skin just so that it's like somehow diluted. And apparently you put it on your skin after every meal. And oil pull, I kind of just went on TikTok for oil pulling, and I'm just been putting the coconut oil for at least 10 minutes in my mouth, just kind of while I'm like doing stuff at home, but it's like before breakfast. So I'm gonna do that this morning. I just put a tablespoon in and then like swish it around. Yes, it's such a weird, gross taste, texture in your mouth, but it's all for a good cause. And then the other thing that I have been doing is, I've just started this yesterday. I was like, why don't I have bone broth? Like I've been adding it into some of my meals, but I'm like, I should be having this in the morning. So I have a teaspoon of the Nutra Organics bone broth with my like lime and Celtic salt drink in the mornings. So I'm gonna make that, have that, and then I will do like my little oil pulling after, like a little bit after that. I was gonna fill you in on the agenda for today, but my arm, this camera is quite heavy. My arm is like really hurting. I did arms or like upper body at Hustle on Thursday. My triceps, so sore, so sore. So my arm is kind of like, my shoulders are sore holding this camera up. So yeah, you'll just like see what's on for today, but it's all gonna be home cooked meals today.
breakfast is ready. I've got a little bit of burnt paleo bread. I made some fresh paleo bread this morning, whacked some avocado and salt and pepper. Then this is my omelette. I've got rocket, red onion, and some sauerkraut in there. I'm trying to have more sauerkraut and what would you call it, like pickled vegetables. And I also add rocket into basically all of my breakfasts. Rocket really helps with detoxification for your liver, so and just kind of balancing your hormones. So I'm always adding that in, and then it's also got some chili flakes in there. And yeah, we're gonna eat this. I'm gonna get ready, and then I'm actually going to a house inspection because we are moving. It's already time for lunch. I realize I have not vlogged anything since breakfast, but I went to an inspection at Palm Beach and not really loving the house, but that's okay. Came back, I have some filming to do today, so gonna have some lunch and then do some filming. I will put a little clip of how I made this yesterday, but I literally made it at like just after 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it was ready so quickly. So it's like a slow cook, but I put it in the Le Creuset. Is that how you say it? Le Creuset? Le Creuset? Le Creuset pot thing. Anyway, and then it's beef with pumpkin, sweet potato, brown onion, mushroom, some spices, and some beef stock and bone broth. So yummy. I kind of just threw some things in there. I actually had so much in there and I couldn't fit it, so I had to take some of the stuff out, which was pretty funny because I was filming it. And yeah, just whacked her in the oven for like 3 hours and turned out delicious. Anyway, gonna have this now and then get stuck into some filming. I just finished filming one video that I need to, but I need to film another one, and I'm going to show you what this one is because I'm really actually excited about it. So I'm doing a video for Baccarat. I'm doing a few videos for them. So I've got this greenstone range. This is like a grill pan. This is just like a little mini pan that I think would be good for like shakshuka eggs and making like little omelets and stuff. And then there's this saucer and steamer set. So you have the greenstone actual pan that you can use for whatever, but you can also have this little stainless steel top part. So for example, you can like boil some sweet potato down here while you're like steaming your broccoli here. So I thought that was really cool. You can also like make some sauces in here or something like that, and then have something steaming up here. So I feel like this is really cool. So basically this is, I am a stainless steel girly, but this is like a 100% toxin-free, non-stick, 100% ceramic product. So that's why I was so excited to work with them, because it is 100% toxin free. So if you can't step away from non-stick, this would be the best non-stick, because 100% toxin free, PFOA free, PTFE free, lead free, cadmium free. So I'm gonna test these out soon as well, but I'm just gonna film, this is like a little meeting room, or like a, what's it called? I don't know, it's just kind of like a room, like a sitting room in our building, and it has a lot nicer lighting compared to our apartment. So I've just been bringing things down here to film, and I just kind of want to film some B-roll stuff of this. So I've brought it all down here to do in the nice light, and then I'll go back upstairs and cook some things and put them to the test. But I wanted to show you, so I'll let you know how they go. I just finished filming, but this is like the pot I was talking about. So it's got this little steamer section, and then you've got like your normal little pot, which is so handy. And then this is like the little pan, greenstone. And then this is the grill pan, so we can cook like steaks and stuff on this. It's 3:15 in the afternoon right now, so I'm gonna have a little snack to get me through until dinner. I'm just gonna make a yogurt bowl with some nuts, hemp seeds, and blueberries. I was going to make a protein shake, but kind of boring, so I'm gonna go with this little yogurt bowl instead. So let's go make that. Basically done all the filming, like the Instagram, TikTok filming that I need to do for today because the lighting isn't the best. So I probably won't film cooking on the pans. Might do that tomorrow. Hopefully it's a bit sunnier. And so now what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to eat this and look at some honeymoon stuff, which is exciting, trying to get that booked in. But basically in this bowl, I put yogurt, blueberries. I always get organic blueberries and I just get frozen ones because berries are heavily sprayed with pesticides. So that's why. I've got walnuts because they are great for your liver, great healthy fats. I've got slivered almonds in that like little seed mix that you would have seen. There was like little almonds in there. Sorry, the camera's kind of going blurry. I've got Brazil nuts, which are great for selenium, so I have 4 of them a day. Chia seeds, omega-3s, and yogurt, healthy fats, and just kind of pieces it all together. And then I put some honey in there for a little bit of sweetness. It is now time to cook dinner. We are making date night gnocchi. I'll show you. It is from my recipe library. That is what we are making. So this is just like a really cute date night idea because it's not like, I don't know, like making gnocchi I feel is different to just making whatever dinner. Like it's kind of more fun. So we're gonna do that. We were going to go down to the beach to eat it, but it started raining when we were walking Chilli this afternoon. So we decided, no, we'll just have it at home. And then now the sun's out, but it's too late for us to cook and go, but that's fine. So we're just going to have a little date night at home and make this gnocchi. I've already done the potato before while I did end up filming some more things. So I just cut up the potato and mashed it, so that's ready. But we're going to make the actual gnocchi first, and then I will start on the sauce after, like once the gnocchi's kind of ready. And yeah, I'll film a little bits and pieces so you can see how we make it. I'm actually not sure if, I'm not sure if I've ever put this in what I eat in a day before. Have we? I don't know if we've made this while I've done a video, but
maybe.
Anyway, I'm gonna see it now.
and once again we're having the Pico Super Dark, just 1 square. Honestly, after that dinner I don't really need anything else, so it's a bit of a boring dessert from me, but I'm going to have this while I watch Severance. I don't know if anyone else is the same, but when I have my like sweet little treaty, I love to really enjoy it and really savor it. So I love sitting down and watching whatever while I have my little sweet treat. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll have my supplements before bed and call it a night.
This birthing cabin, you can take us there, right? So we can talk to his Annie?
We don't even know if he's completed the fall yet.
But scouts